In order to talk about digital marketing, it's best to understand what general marketing is. Marketing is the process of getting people interested in a company's product or service. It involves research to understand people and what they need and want, analysis of data and consumer behavior to select the best way to reach your customers, creation of messages, ads, and creative campaigns that engage people and turn them into customers, and relationship building with people over time to turn them into loyal customers. Marketing surrounds us, from billboards we pass on the way to work to the packaging on our cup of coffee. Traditional examples of marketing include telephone or telemarketing, radio and television advertisements, direct mail marketing, and newspaper ads. A specific subset of marketing, digital marketing, is the marketing of products or services through electronic devices like smartphones and tablets, computers, television, and electronic billboards. We interact with digital marketing all day long, especially since we spend nearly half of our day watching, reading, and listening to media. From emails we receive with promotions from our favorite online stores, to ads on websites that we visit, to promoted content on social media. Used by corporations, small businesses, nonprofits, and social impact organizations alike, digital marketing is a powerful tool for spreading information and ideas. And because of that, the demand for professionals with skills in digital marketing is growing. On average, the number of digital marketing jobs has grown each year by 17% since 2014. And as a result, new digital platforms and tools are emerging that advance the field, and new creative marketing strategies to reach people are being invented. Digital marketing is bigger than just advertisements. It's about understanding people, how they act, what they need and want, then using messages, experiences, and tools to design a strategy to reach them, delight them, excite them, and create lasting relationships with them. It's strategic, creative, rooted in people, and absolutely learnable.